everyone! I hope you are having an amazing day while watching this video. To those na first time manood sa channel namin, I hope you can consider subscribing to our channel to get an update on how it is to live here in Canada. We came here as a family under international student visa and open work permit for my husband. We make videos about how we found an apartment, car, our cost of living, and some videos related to life updates here in Canada. Today, naisip ko lang i-share kung magkano yung actual na cost ng groceries namin this week. Para lang may idea kayo kung around how much magiging spend nyo if single kayo or will come as a family. We'll also share kung saan mas mura. Dahil bago pa lang kami dito, we are still familiarizing ourselves kung saan mura ang alin. Kagaya rin sa ibang country, sa bawat grocery store, merong murang item pero meron ding mas mahal if i-compare sa iba. So far, dito, ang pinakamaraming competitive na price is Walmart. To save on fuel and time na rin, ang ginagawa namin is to go to different grocery stores in one go. For this week, una, pumunta kami sa Giant Tiger to refill our water. Dito sa Giant Tiger, less than $2 ang refill since bring your own container. Meron silang area where you can rinse your own water container. Pag sa Walmart kasi, ibigay mo sa kanila yung container na dala mo and bibigyan ka nila ng bagong container with water, pero $6 yun. Aside from water refill, Giant Tiger is also selling mga clothes for kids and adults, and I would say their prices are good. In my opinion, mas better bumili sa kanila since brand new, kesa sa Value Dollar na used clothes. In terms of price, comparable din naman yung price nila. After sa Giant Tiger, lumipat kami sa Great Asian Market, which is also halos katabi lang. Great Asian offers local brands from China, Korea, Japan, Philippines, and other Asian countries. They have meat, fruits, vegetables, frozen products like longaniza and tocino, noodles, condiments, and they also have freshly baked breads. Dito kami nakakabili ng pandesal pag nag-crave. May mga kitchen and house tools din sila. They also have mga siomai, siopaw na ready to cook na rin. At higit sa lahat, may walis tambo at tingting sila. So ang binibili namin sa ngayon dito is pork meat and boneless bangus since favorite namin yon. Yung pork nila is mas mura kaysa sa Walmart and Superstore and maganda rin yung mga cuts. While meron sila mga Philippine brand na mga soy sauce, vinegar, Mang Tomas, ang napansin namin, mas mura yung mga yon sa Walmart pero konti lang naman. After sa Great Asian, we headed to Walmart. Dito kami bumili ng mga fruits and veggies since mostly are mas cheaper kaysa sa Superstore. Even yung chocolate milk drink ng mga bata is mas mura dito by around 50 cents. When we went to Walmart, naka-clearance sale din yung mga school supplies and mga clothes. Like may mga shirts na $5 and $8 lang for the kids. Yun ang magandang intayin dito, yung mga end of season sale kasi pag nag-sale sila, mababa talaga yung selling price. After mamili sa Walmart, dumaan muna kami sa McDo para bumili ng iced coffee dahil favorite namin yun.
Yummy!
Because we installed the McDo Canada app, nabili namin yung iced coffee for $1 lang. Nung last time, we were able to get a free cheeseburger naman dahil sa offer sa app.
Wow!
Last namin pinuntahan is yung Superstore kasi walang egg na 30 pieces tray sa Walmart and may bibilin din akong mga snack items na mas mura sa Superstore since own brand nila yun. Parang comparable to sa Bonus brand under SM sa Pilipinas. Sa Superstore, ang name ng brand nila is yung No Name. Sa Walmart, ang brand nila is Great Value naman. So ito lahat yung binili namin this week. First, itong mga fruits. Since meron pa kaming grapes sa bahay, apples, oranges, and banana muna yung binili namin. We also bought limes dahil super nice tong pang-marinate ng mga meat. Masarap din siya sa pork steak. Di ko tuloy namimiss yung kalamansi. Lahat to galing sa Walmart. Then sa veggies, we bought some tomatoes, garlic, and onions. Potato, carrots, may pechay bagyo din since balak namin maglaga ng pata. Bumili din kami ng upo kasi mas mura siya this week. Tapos itong cute na ginger is para sa tinola. All of these are from Walmart aside from pechay bagyo and upo kasi binili namin to sa Great Asian. For the meat, bumili kami ng 5 pounds ribs. Masarap tong pang adobo and oven bake. Dahil 5 pounds to, siguro this is good for 4 meals na for the 4 of us. Then we bought 2 packs of pork chop for only $10 lang. Pang pork steak to, which will be good for lunch and dinner na. Meron ding pork belly slice, pang samgyup or panggisa with pork and beans, and yung pata nga, pang laga sa Sunday. Bumili din kami ng boneless marinated bangus. All of these are from Great Asian. Yung chicken, sa Walmart kami bumili. Itong pack of thigh part has 12 pieces each pack, and yung price niya is only less than $12 each. This will be good for around 3 meals for us. Ang mura nito considering bawas na yung bones niya and halal siya and no antibiotics. Ang plan kong iluto dito is fried chicken, tinola, afritada, and chicken barbecue. Lastly, sa meat, bumili kami ng fish fillet sa Superstore. Ang usual na luto ko dito is crispy fish fillet. Then for the other items, we bought this big pack of chocolate chips from Superstore for only $4.50. We also bought a tray of egg. Tapos itong 2 loaves of bread naman is from Walmart, which costs $1.50 Canadian dollar each. Meron ding potato chips from Walmart. Tapos ito, may batang nagpabili ng collections niya na Pokemon cards. Mas mahal pa to sa Liempo. So ang big question, magkano lahat to? If you noticed, wala mga condiments dito and bigas since malalaki yung binili namin in the past couple of weeks and may stock pa. Itong mga binili namin, especially yung mga meat, siguro it will last for a week and a half. Pero yung mga veggies and fruits baka good for a week lang. Ang total na binili namin sa Superstore for the fish fillet, egg, cookies, and tomato is $26.16. Tapos, yung sa Great Asian Market na mostly meat is $63.28. And lastly, yung sa Walmart na chicken, fruits, veggies, and some grocery items cost us $75.71. Ang total naming grocery this week is $165.15 or about 7,000 in Philippine peso. Medyo mas mahal to sa naka-budget namin pero we intentionally did this kasi mag-start na yung school ko next week and baka mahirapan na maghanap ng time to do grocery shopping. Iniisip ko din baka magluto na ako ng maramihan para may makakain sila kahit busy na ako sa school. I-reheat na lang nila. So there, sana it gave you ideas how much yung possible na maging cost ng groceries nyo and kung saan mas mura. If any of you has any idea kung may iba pang store na mas mura, please put that in the comment section below. When we receive our first utility bill, I'll also create a vlog to share about that. This is it for now. Take care everyone and God bless. Bye!